video in front of me, new iPad Air 2022, and I'll show you all the box accessories inside of our device box. So the first thing that you'll see that's sure the iPad Air, and here we got the super charger brick, the original one from Apple. So the charger brick. The next thing is the USB-C cable here, the new one. And also here in this paper box we got some paperwork like the quick start guide and the warranty cards. So that's it. There are all of our box accessories with which the device comes by default. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.